Hello, it's Edward Holmes here, and today I'm pleased to be reviewing modular paper folding from Colortree. This is a product made by Yonggi Nara, a Korean company who many of you will be familiar with, certainly in the origami community. So I'll just take the sleeve off. It comes in a nice plastic carry case. It's very sturdy, and this is useful for storing partly folded models and origami papers. So that's a nice bonus. Let's just take a quick look at the instructions. So it's a little booklet with lots of instructions. I believe it's 21 models are included, and some of the instructions have QR codes demonstrating the assembly. It's always tricky to diagram the assembly of a model, and so it's nice when you've got a video to reference as well. And at the front of the book there is a page of symbols which will be familiar to a lot of you as well. So I'll put that to one side. Then we have some bundles of 7.5 centimeter paper. This is radial harmony paper, which gives a nice effect for folding kusudamas. And then we have 3 bundles of 7.5 centimeter duo paper. So this is a lighter colour on the reverse and then a bold colour on the front. And finally we have a selection of 15 centimeter single-sided paper. So I'll just put that to one side. I've actually folded a few models already from this kit. We have a cube which is made from 12 pieces. That's quite nice. And also a kusudama, and this is folded with harmony paper as well, so this gives you an idea of the effect that you get when you use that paper. So I thought it would be nice to just fold a very simple model. So I'm going to be folding a Sonobe cube, and let's begin. I've got some green paper with a white reverse, so I'll start with the white side up, and I'm going to book fold by bringing the left edge to the right edge, make a crease, unfold, and then cupboard fold by bringing both the left and the right edges to that crease that we just made. I'm going to turn my paper around, make it a little bit easier. Folding both edges into the center. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold the corner of the paper here. Sorry, on this side, the corner of the paper like so. This is just one layer of paper. Turn it around and repeat on the other side. And then I'm going to bring these 2 layers of paper also in the same direction, folding along this existing crease here. And then repeat on the other side. Then slightly unfold this. I'm going to reverse this crease here, and also this crease here. So I've just reversed those 2 white triangles, and then I'm going to fold these creases inside. And then we're nearly done. Turn the model over and fold this point to this corner here. And then this point to this corner here. And that's one finished unit. So in Blue Peter fashion, I've folded the other units for the model. We need 6 in total. And I'm going to show you how they go together. So I'll move some off to the side. This is a flap on the unit, so we have 2 flaps, and then we have pockets underneath here. So I can slide a flap into a pocket, like so. And I will slide all the way, but I'm going to leave it slightly loose until the model is complete, because it'll make assembly a little bit easier. So I'm going to put a red unit on the opposite side. And then let's try an orange unit onto the yellow. And see this orange flap? That will go into the red. Same on the other side, orange into this green. We'll take a blue piece. So you can see how this is forming the faces of a cube. And one last piece to go in here. Got this lighter green colour. And finally tuck these flaps in. And then it's just a case of carefully squeezing the model together, easing those flaps into their final positions, and then just give it a little squeeze on all 4 corners. And there you go. That is your completed Sonobe cube. So I just wanted to talk about a few things I noticed with this kit. On some of the models with assembly videos, I actually noticed that they advise using glue. So whilst this may not be for the purist, it's certainly a good set to provide an introduction to the world of modular origami. It comes with a nice selection of papers in a strong carry case, and it's a good value for money. So I thought we could just recap what papers are included in the kit. We have 200 sheets of single-sided 15cm squares in 20 colours, weighing approximately 67 grams per metre squared. 180 sheets of double-sided 7.5cm squares in 5 colours, weighing approximately 68 grams per metre squared. And finally 60 sheets of inverse radial harmony paper, 7.5cm squares in 2 colours, and this is slightly heavier, weighing in at approximately 71 grams per metre squared. Visit colortreelimited.co.uk to purchase this kit and many other origami supplies.